Number 3 of Platform 2 at Ebbsfleet International will be your 1302 1033 South Eastern service from Margate to St Pancras. Thank you, 395017. (39517) to London St Pancras. Hello and welcome to another episode of TrainsFanUK, and today we're at Ebbsfleet International on High Speed 1. So you're going to be seeing services by South Eastern High Speed and Eurostar. 395017 brought us here with a service bound for St Pancras. Joining me for this video is TrainsFanUK, Virgin TrainsFan, yep, this is the little waving, DB Trains, and Kieron Izon. So, let's see what shall turn up here at Ebbsfleet International. To arrive onto platform number 6 at Ebbsfleet International. Oh, won't be able to see the number. But it will be for your 1313, 1 Foxtrot 32 South Eastern service from London St Pancras to Faversham. (3950) something to Faversham. Now that's rather on platform 4 at Ebbsfleet International will be your 1315, 9 India 32 Eurostar service from London St Pancras to Brussels Midi. (37300) (37300) to Brussels Midi. Right, team off platform 4 at Ebbsfleet International. Will be your oh god, I had it. 1359 India 32 Eurostar service from London St Pancras to Brussels Midi. 37300. It's due to leave any second now because the doors are all closed. Gotta make it to the other end. Yep, she's ready to go. Oh, nice. (37300) to 373 001 to Brussels. Now playing into platform 3 at Ebbsfleet International. It's your 1330 1G34 southeastern service from London St Pancras to Margate. 395021. V95021 for Shane to Margate. Living off platform 3 at Ebbsfleet International is your 1331 G34 southeastern service from London St Pancras to Margate. 395021. (395021) to Margate via Canterbury West and Ramsgate. Now playing into platform 2 at Ebbsfleet International will be your is your 1350 no hang on no 1335 to 1 Charlie 21 southeastern service from Sandwich to London St Pancras. Get the number when she departs. Now back to leave off platform 2 at Ebbsfleet International will be your 1335 1 Charlie 22 southeastern service from Sandwich to London St Pancras. 395028. (395028) to London St Pancras. Oh god! Now pulling into platform number 1 at Ebbsfleet International is 37323. Which is for your side delay 1348 9 India 33 Eurostar service from Brussels Midi to London St Pancras.
May I have your attention please on platform 3. We are sorry to announce that the 1355 service to Sandwich via Dover Priory has been cancelled. This is due to a train fault. We apologise for the inconvenience caused.
373223 to St Pancras. Now back to leave off platform number 1 at Ebbsfleet International will be your 13. Hang on, I had it a minute ago. Hang on. Slide delay 1348 9 India 33 Eurostar service from Brussels Midi to London St Pancras. I've got 373223. Right, she should be ready to go. Oh, I said it too soon. Alright, let's hear that noise coming from the power engine. (373) 223 to 373. Oh! Random javelin passing by. Don't know what that was.
Yeah.
Okay, that is all for Ebbsfleet International.
The world's worst train station.
No, it's not. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video of trains at Ebbsfleet International. I really enjoyed it here, especially with all the Eurostars and the javelins, especially that random javelin that just passed by the main line. According to my friends who are over there, whose names I'll give out at the end of this clip, it was apparently the cancelled service that was supposed to go up to Sandwich via Dover. So apparently that was the cancelled Sandwich service, and it's now going up to a depot. So joining me for this video was TrainsFanUK, bouncing around like a bouncy ball. Version TrainsFan, who is laughing his head off and is trying to take a picture of me. Kieron, Izon and DV Trains. My next station will be Stratford International, which is just up the line. So, until then, I shall conclude the video here. So, from me, at Ebbsfleet International, it's goodbye. Now that's rather platform number 2 at Ebbsfleet International will be your side delay 1402 1G at 37 Southeastern service from Margate and St Pancras. This is our train. Yeah, but it's also known as Southeastern. Well, anyways, this is our train to Stratford International. And who are we taking? 395018.
Wow.
We'll see you in Stratford.